Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen how to attach a scroll bar to the list box. And in today's session, let's see the select mode parameter in the list box widget. So, what is a list box widget? It is used to display a list of items from which the user can select one or more items depending on the configuration. So, it user can select one item or more than one items, and it depends on the select mode option present in the list box. There are four options. There are four options for the select mode parameter. They are the browse, extended, multiple, and then single. The default option is browse. If we don't give any select mode option in the list box widget, then by default it will select the browse mode. If we want extended, we have to specify it as extended or multiple or single. If we don't specify anything, it will be by default the browse mode. So what are the different modes? The first one is browse. It allows a single selection. If you select an item and drag the mouse to a different line, the selection will follow the mouse. This is the default mode in Listbox. So, in our particular code, I have not given any select mode. By default, it will be the browse mode. So, just for safer side, I am writing it as browse. If we don't write it also, it will consider the browse mode because it is the default mode. And now when I run the code, I get my empty list box. I'm supposed to add some cities. Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Pune. So these are the important cities which I've added in my list box, and I've given the select mode as browse. So what happens in this browse select mode? It allows a single selection. We can have only a single selection. If we select an item and drag the mouse to a different line, the cursor will move towards the mouse. So let's see how it works. Suppose I select Bangalore and I drag it and move the mouse, then my selection follows the mouse direction. So if I click on Bangalore and then if I drag the mouse, it follows the dragging of the mouse. So Pune will get selected. So this is how the browse mode works in the list box in Tkinter. Now let's go on to the single select mode. Even in single select mode, we can select only one line, but we cannot drag the mouse. So now let me close this session and let me make my select mode equal to single. And now if I run the code, let me add some items. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune. So now if I select one item and drag the mouse, the dragging of the mouse is not allowed. So only the first one, whatever we have selected, gets selected. Now if I select Kolkata and try to drag the mouse, it prohibits the dragging of the mouse. So here dragging of the mouse is not allowed. Whereas in the browse mode, we could drag the mouse and the selection followed the dragging of the mouse. But here we cannot drag the mouse. Only one item gets selected at a time. So the dragging of the mouse is prohibited over here. So this is the single selection mode. Now let's move on to the multiple selection mode, wherein we can select multiple items. We can select any number of lines. So over here, when I run the code and add some items, so here we can have multiple selections. Suppose I select Bangalore. Next I select Chennai. So both Bangalore and Chennai have got selected because we are given multiple as the select mode. So we can choose multiple options: Pune, Kolkata. So all these four values in the list box get selected. So this is the multiple select mode in the list box in Tkinter. Now if I don't want Kolkata, again if I click on it, it will get deselected. Again if I click, it will get selected. Again if I click, it will get deselected. So this is the multiple option present for the select mode in the list box widget. The last one is extended. In extended, it will select a group of items by first clicking on the first item and dragging to the last line. So now let me close this window and I give an extended. When I run this code and add some items, so after adding these items, if I select on Chennai and drag my mouse, then all the intermediate group of items get selected. So if I drag the mouse till the end, whatever items are till the end. So I've stopped at Kolkata. So the intermediate items, that is Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, also get selected. So this is the extended method of selecting the items. Now if I want to select from Bangalore to Mumbai, I can select Bangalore, and if I drag the mouse, all the intermediate items between Bangalore and Mumbai also get selected. So a group of items get selected in this particular method. So friends, hope so it is clear for you. The browse method, it is a single selection method. If you select an item and drag the mouse, the selection will follow the dragging of the mouse. This is the default mode in list box. Then we have the single selection. Even this is a single selection. It selects only one item and also we cannot drag the mouse. The third one is multiple. We can select any number of lines at once. So if we select it once, if we click on an item once, it will be selected. If we again click on the item, it will get deselected. So it toggles, the line toggles whether it is selected or not. Then we have the extended mode, wherein a group of items at once, it selects group of items at once by clicking the first item and dragging to the last item. So friends, hope so it was clear for you the different modes, the different options present for the select mode parameter in list box. So they are the browse, extended, multiple and single. Hope so friends it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.